Just got on the water. See what we get today. We'll go around these weeds. Second or third cast already on. Nice little bass today on a drop shot. Woohoo! Oh, on another one. Right. Let's go, boy. Oh, he's tangled up on my fucking yak, you little bastard. Oh, wow. He got all tangled up on my yak right there. Up in the front. He made me nasty. Come on, Billy. No, stop jumping. God damn it. Angle. Top of the release. There's gotta be a fish right here. Came off.
I had a little bite.
I had one on. Damn. That was a good one too.
You know, I'm gonna change my setup over here in the shade, bro.
I'll be right here. Damn, that was a good one, dude. Oh. On there. Oh, that's a nice one. Oh, yeah. Damn, Johnny. Yeah. Sheesh. Let's fucking go. Nice one, boy. Hell yeah. Look at that shit. Just my phone it. It's a little small one. Oh, this one's fucking white as fuck. Get over here. Come on, little guy. Oh, yeah, I'm on again. Where's he at? Oh. Where's this little fucker? Yes, sir. Another nice one right here. God damn. Come on, Willie. Another one. Oh, yeah. Fish on. Oh, yeah. Nice little chunker. Oh, 13. Just let this guy go. Another one. Another one. Oh, yeah. Back to back, bro. Back to back out here, boys. Let's get it. This little fucking bass be fighting, boy. Come on, bro. Tire out. Tire out. Barely hooked too. Oh, yeah. Yes, sir. Another one, boy. Two. Nice little dinker. On the roof of the mouth. Drop shot all day. They're still coming, boys. Sir. Oh yeah. That's nice. Oh yeah. Can't let him get to those weeds. Oh, Johnny. He is big, bro. He is big, Johnny. Johnny. Can't let him get to those weeds, bro. Look at him. Oh, don't shake it. Don't shake it. No. Don't shake it. Oh, let's go, boy. Let's fucking go. Yeah. Oh, yes. Let's fucking go, boy.
I told you it was a good idea to come back here.
Fuck.
What'd you get him on?
The drop shot.
Hey, that drop's killing it, bro.
It's catching me too right now.
Huh?
It's catching me too right now. I just got stabbed 3 times with it. Fuck. Let's go, boy. Got a nice one.
That one you just lost.
That's crazy because I just lost one on my fucking stringer. And this one came out for it. Yes, sir. Hell yeah.